Very happy morning to all of you kids. Kids, in this video, we are going to do the next chapter of our unit, My Country, and the chapter is Social Movements of India. Now, this chapter again is very much important as it tells you about the history of India or the struggles which our ancestors have done to make us independent, to make our country independent. So, it is again very important, and you should know the history of all these movements. Okay, so let us do what is there in the chapter. Firstly, what they have given you names of some bells or movements, and here they have given a small explanation. You have to see that which explanation meets the movement above. Okay, so let us start. Like the first is, this movement focused on removing the British Empire from the power by boycotting foreign goods and becoming self-sufficient. So it is related to boycotting foreign goods. So it was our Swadeshi movement. Okay, now this Swadeshi movement was a part of Indian independence movement and began in 1906. Okay, this movement began in 1906. Fine, students. Then the second, this movement aimed at the protection of an evergreen tropical forest in Palakkad district of Kerala from being destroyed by a hydroelectric project. Okay, so this is related to the protection of a tropical forest, and the name of the movement is Save Silent Valley Movement. So it is Save Silent Valley Movement. The Silent Valley name, it was given to this particular tropical forest which was present in the Palakkad district, and this movement started in 1973. So yes, it was started in 1973, and the valley was declared as Silent Valley National Park in 1985. Okay, so this movement started in 1973 and the valley was named as Silent Valley in 1985. Then the next, this Dalit movement to change the name of Marathwada University in Aurangabad to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University succeeded after 16 years when the compromised name of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Marathwada University was accepted. So the Andolan or the movement was your Namantar Andolan. Namantar Andolan means change of name movement. Okay, name change movement. Now this movement, it was started on 27 July 1978 and it continues till 14 January 1994. So this movement continued for about 16 years and after that the name was accepted and it was changed. Okay, and then now in 2013, like after the 19 years of the movement, the city government of Nagpur, they erected a Namantar Shaheed Smarak monument in memory of the valor and the sacrifice of Dalit martyrs. Okay, students, so now there is a park over there. There is a like Smarak ek banaya gaya hai in logo ki yaad mein, in Dalit people ki yaad mein. Okay, now the next is, this movement was led by the tribal of Bihar when the government decided to replace the natural sal forest with commercial teak plantation. It later spread to other states like Odisha and Jharkhand. So it is related to the you can say the protection of a forest. So it is Jangal Bachao Andolan. Okay, and this Jangal Bachao Andolan, it was started in early 1980s. Okay, and it was like that the government was taking the natural sal forest with the commercial teak plantation. It was merging into it, so people decided that they will not let it happen. So this movement started. Then the next and the last one is, this movement was named among the top 10 news stories of 2011 by Time magazine. The whole nation came together and stood by anti-corruption activist Anna Hazare when he began a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi on 5 April 2011. Now this moment, or you can say this Andolan, was very much prominent movement of the Indian history. Many people, they stand by the anti-corruption activist Anna Hazare. Okay, and this was a Jan Lokpal bill. Okay, now this Jan Lokpal bill, this movement It includes a chairperson and 8 members, and out of those 8 members, 4 members were from the judicial background, like they were the chief justice of the different high courts of India, and 4 were from the non-judicial background, but they were also like AIS or like ICS, IAS, these people were there from Indian services or from the central services. Okay, and this bill was passed in Rajya Sabha on 17 December 2013. Okay, so it was started around 2011 and it was passed after 2 years, like 2013 में ये pass हुआ था 17 December in Rajya Sabha and received assent from President Pranab Mukherjee on 1 January 2014 and came into force from 16 January. It was against the anti-corruption. Okay. So in this way, these all acts were there. Now you have to write this. You can write like this Swadeshi movement. It started in 1906. So you can write it like this also. Okay. So I will send you the PDF of this chapter. Thank you, kids. Complete the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.